print out this book, I opened the document, I went to File and Print, and in the settings, print all pages, the whole thing. I want to do that. Print one-sided. I actually want to print two-sided, and I want to flip pages on the short edge. Collated 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I want to have portrait orientation, 8.5 by 11. Normal margins, which 1 inch top, 1 inch bottom, 1 inch left and right. And number of pages per sheet, I want to select 2 pages per sheet. Then I'm going to select page setup. And here I need to go into pages, multiple pages. And it's, I believe it normally set up at normal, which would print 8.5 by 11. But what I want to do is I want to do book fold. Select that, and it shows me here in the preview it's going to print it like a book. And I select OK and turn on the printer. And actually I want to print this black and white, so I'm going to select grayscale right here, click OK, and then I'm going to select print. And it'll print it out. So I've got this all printed out, and this is the cover, or page 1. Then here's page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, and so on. And this is actually the last page. So what I need to do is fold this in half. And this is a book that I wrote about a story I heard of some people that found a little baby hummingbird and ended up raising her. Amazing story, and it's available on Amazon. If you just search for Little Bird, Christopher Bees, who's the author. Oh shoot, I can't see that. Why don't I? Yeah, that's all right. So now got that folded, and the rest of the pages I've actually already folded and put those in. Actually, they're in order, but I had to really watch, okay, how I look at how the book's going to go together. So this is all folded. I'll put this, we'll go in here, straighten out. So now what I need to do is staple this together, and I have a stack of corrugated cardboard, so staple will go into this easily and not hit the top of the washing machine and bend the staple. It's going to stay straight. Though what I need to do here is do a little bit of a test on this stapler, and I'm using pretty much just standard staples. See if I can get this out of here. They're about 1/4 of an inch. The part that goes into the paper, and this stapler has a button here in the back. I push it, then the stapler opens up. And what I want to do, so I'm going to fold. Oh, there's actually already a fold there. I want to check and see. I think the staple is going to come out right there. And and it did, and right on that fold line. So now I know, I'll make sure this book is, everything is all lined up all the edges are even, and I need to I want to measure in top and bottom. I need to grab a ruler, and I measured down 2 inches, put a little tick mark there, and measured up 2 inches from the bottom, put a mark there. So now I'm going to line up, make sure this is all even. I'll line up the stapler with that tick mark and fold line. And this is about 12 pieces of paper. I'll line up this one. And I carefully pull that out of the corrugated cardboard. I don't want to tear the paper. There we go. Flip that over, and now I need to push carefully. I don't poke myself. Push these staples over and bend them down. Try and get those right on that fold line. And it didn't line up perfectly, but good enough. But there, I have a book. Be sure and check out my other videos.